Welcome back to another quick guide today. We will walk you through how to turn on dark mode for Google Docs. So here are the steps to turn on dark mode for Google Docs on your PC. So we're going to use Chrome extension for this. So now open Chrome browser on your Windows PC and make sure you're using Google Chrome. Go to Chrome web browser by visiting chromegoogle.com web store. Search for Google Docs Dark Mode or try Dark Reader for broader support. Click on a trusted extension, for example, Dark Reader. It should have good ratings and many users. Click Add to Chrome. Then click Add Extension to confirm. Wait for the extension to install. You'll see it appear in the toolbar or the puzzle piece icon. Open Google Docs in a new tab. Click the extension icon in the top right toolbar. Choose Dark Reader or your selected extension. Toggle dark mode on. It will instantly apply a dark theme to the Docs interface in the document. Adjust brightness, contrast, optional. Most extensions allow tweaking for better visibility. Enjoy full dark mode in Google Docs. Both the background and menus should be dark. Turn off anytime via the extension. Just toggle it off when you want to switch back to light mode. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.